India's next-generation tanks are about to change the battlefield forever, thanks to a revolutionary breakthrough from the DRDO. Introducing the dual-flow automatic loader system, a game-changer in tank warfare. As global military capabilities evolve, the Defense Research and Development Organization (DRDO) is stepping up, enhancing India's armored forces with cutting-edge technology. But what exactly is this dual-flow automatic loader? It's a unique two-conveyor system designed to dramatically increase the rate of fire while ensuring crew safety and maximizing combat efficiency. The loader works through two conveyors, one in the hull and one in the turret. The hull conveyor holds 24 rounds, while the turret has 16. Together, they deliver a constant supply of ammunition to the main gun, allowing for rapid firing without any manual effort. With a total of 40 rounds ready to fire at a moment's notice, these next-gen tanks are built for sustained combat operations, drastically reducing reload times in the heat of battle. But it's not just about speed. The dual-flow system also improves weight distribution, enhancing tank mobility. It allows for a more balanced design, ensuring the tank moves swiftly across rough terrains while remaining stable. This system also optimizes ammunition management, giving the crew the flexibility to switch between different types of ammunition, depending on the battlefield situation. Another major advancement is the forward crew compartment design, positioned far from ammunition storage areas. This dramatically enhances crew safety by minimizing the risk of injury in case of an explosion. Safety and firepower aren't the only focuses. The modular nature of the automatic loader allows for future upgrades, whether it's enhanced fire control systems, advanced sensors, or new types of ammunition. By automating the reloading process, DRDO has reduced the workload on the crew, enabling them to focus on critical tasks like targeting and situational awareness. Plus, staying protected within the hull enhances survivability. With faster reloading times and increased endurance, India's tanks are now more prepared than ever for extended combat engagements, providing the Indian Army with a powerful edge. The dual-flow automatic loader is more than just a technological upgrade, it's a strategic advantage. As India continues to modernize its armed forces, innovations like this keep it ready to face any challenge. Please donate at least ₹1 to support our work by scanning the QR code. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.